There comes a time when every sewer wants to elevate her creations. And when that time comes, it's time to add a serger to your sewing room. Brother offers its best and most affordable serger yet in the 1034D. Ideal for creating ruffles and sewing decorative and finishing stitches on linens, formal wear, and stretchy fabric, this 3/4 serger delivers an impressive range of features often found on much more expensive models. First, the 1034D is very easy to thread. The machine has easy-to-follow lay-in threading and a powerful tension disc release which helps assure accurate thread placement in the tension discs. And the fast lower looper threading system couldn't be easier. It's color-coded and designed to make sure the thread stays right in place. Customers who have the 1034D rave about the differential feed too. The feed helps improve results when sewing stretchy, knitted, or thin fabrics, and also helps prevent the wavy or stretched appearance of stitches on fabrics that lower quality sergers may deliver. You can use a 1034D on virtually all types of weights of fabric, including silk and denim. Unlike some sergers, the 1034D has a removable free arm, which is a big help when you're serging cylindrical items like pant legs, as well as a retractable knife, which helps prevent accidentally cutting your fabric when working close to the edges of rolled hems. The 1034D also comes with a full range of accessories, including a number of snap-on presser feet which are easy to change. Watch as the feet snap on with ease. Nothing could be simpler. Perfection in your sewing comes at a price, an affordable one, with the 1034D. To learn more, visit brother-usa.com.
To thread your machine for regular sewing, it is common to use an all-purpose thread in the needle and the bobbin. However, for embroidery, it is most common to use a rayon or polyester thread in the needle. For the bobbin, it is best to use a lighter weight thread such as bobbin fill. By using a lightweight thread in the bobbin, your embroidery designs will be less dense on the back than if standard weight thread is used. Remove the bobbin cover plate by pushing the release button to the right while pushing down on the bottom left corner of the plate. Then remove the cover. Your machine comes with a Class 15J bobbin. It is recommended that you use only Class 15J bobbins in your machine. To wind the bobbin, the machine can either be set up in standard sewing mode or with the embroidery unit attached. Place the thread spool onto the spool pin and secure it with the appropriately sized spool cap. Pull the thread out from the spool and place it through these thread guides. First in front of this guide, then into this guide, and then around the bobbin winding tension disc. Pull the end of the thread through the hole in the bobbin. Place the bobbin onto the bobbin winder as far down as it can go, with the end of the thread coming from the top of the bobbin. Hold on to the end of the thread, then push the bobbin winder lever against the bobbin until it clicks and the bobbin begins to rotate. If you wish, you can push the bobbin winder back to stop and trim the thread tail, then push it against the bobbin again to resume filling. When the bobbin is full, the bobbin winder lever will move back and the winding will stop automatically. Remove the bobbin and cut the thread. To insert the bobbin, raise the needle to its highest position by turning the handwheel counterclockwise. Place the bobbin into the bobbin case, then pull the thread to check that the bobbin turns counterclockwise. Pull the thread first into this groove and then to the left. With a finger held gently on top of the bobbin, pull the thread until it slips into this next slot. Now pull the thread along the groove on the needle plate until it is snipped with the thread cutter on the top left of the needle plate. Replace the bobbin cover. To replace bobbins during the embroidery process, raise the presser foot lifter, remove the hoop from the machine and trim the thread, but do not remove the fabric from the hoop. Replace the bobbin, reattach the hoop, lower the presser foot, then continue. To thread the upper part of the machine, raise the presser foot lifter. Turn the hand wheel counterclockwise until the needle is in its highest position. Place the thread spool onto the spool pin and secure it with the appropriately sized spool cap. Bring the thread in front of this guide. Pull it into the guide at the top of the machine. Continue bringing the thread straight down the groove at the front of the machine and then into the guide located just above the needle. Your machine features a built-in needle threader to help you thread the needle quickly and effortlessly. Here's how it works. Hold the thread tail in your left hand and guide it into the twin thread guide on the threading mechanism. Then bring it up and over the thread holder at the side of the machine. Pull the thread tail to trim the excess thread. Now press down on the threading lever located here at the side of the machine. Release the lever and your needle will be threaded automatically. The thread tension control should be set at S for regular sewing mode. However, the thread tension control should be set to E for embroidery once the embroidery unit is attached. This loosens the upper thread tension for embroidery so that the needle and bobbin threads lock on the back side of the fabric and are not visible on the top side. You may still adjust thread tension if desired, depending on the type of fabric or thread being used. When doing machine embroidery, it is recommended that you use Singer chromium needles. These needles are designed to last for many hours of embroidering and will also result in better quality embroidery.
Are you a sewer or embroiderer interested in taking your skills to the next level? Then why not check out the PE770 embroidery machine from Brother? This computerized machine, perfect for any embroidery enthusiast, is easy to learn, easy to use, and a great choice whether you want to embroider delicate fabrics or more sturdy items like denim. Beyond the fact that the PE770 is made by Brother, a leader in embroidery technology, what makes the machine a must-have for your crafting room? Let's take a look at the top features that will help turn embroidery from your hobby to your passion. First, the PE770 has a large 5x7 embroidery area, which allows you to express your creative vision on larger items like tote bags. And you'll want to get expressive when you see the machine's assortment of 136 built-in embroidery designs, 10 built-in frame designs, and 6 built-in fonts. Not enough designs? Then visit iBroidery.com, the Brother embroidery design website where designs can be purchased individually. There are thousands of designs to choose from, including Disney, Warner Brothers, and lifestyle designs, as well as a selection of alphabet designs. The PE770, which has computer connectivity, makes design import easy. Simply download designs from iBroidery.com or your computer to a USB stick and insert the stick in the conveniently located USB port. Another great feature of the PE770 is the large backlit LCD screen, which is easy to see and easy to use. Use the screen for design selection and editing, to view the helpful built-in tutorials, to set machine preferences, and more. With all of the features of the PE770, you'll probably want to use it all the time to make as many creations as possible. Luckily, the machine stitches at a speedy 650 stitches per minute, so you can complete more designs faster. Whether you're interested in making beautiful home decor items or recycling your clothing with new embellishment, the computerized PE770 is the machine for you. To learn more, visit brother-usa.com.
Welcome to the world of affordable sewing and embroidery with the Brother SE400. With this computer-connectable, versatile, and easy-to-use machine, you can go from sewing to embroidering in minutes. The SE400 offers a versatile array of 67 sewing stitches, 70 built-in embroidery designs, 120 frame pattern combinations, and 5 fonts. and the 4x4-inch embroidery area is just the right size for doing your favorite monogrammed applique. You can even import thousands of embroidery designs from iBroidery.com and other websites for virtually unlimited design options. You also get 8 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. The SE400 is easy to set up and use. Features like the automatic needle threader and quick set top drop-in bobbin are big time and frustration savers. And the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. The SE400 includes a range of editing features you control through the easy-to-use touchscreen. You can also use the touchscreen to access built-in tutorials, change your settings, and more. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great sewing and embroidery features, including accessories and brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use SE400 from Brother.
Welcome to the world of affordable embroidery with the Brother PE540D, our most affordable embroidery-only machine ever. Backed by our lifetime technical support, the PE540D is packed with wonderful features, usually found on more expensive models that help make embroidery fun and easy. Like 100 built-in designs, including 35 built-in Disney designs, plus the ability to connect to more designs from your computer and exclusive access to more than 5,000 designs on iBroidery.com, as well as from third-party sites. A big 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area to add character and characters to just about anything. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen. 120 built-in pattern combinations to frame your embroidery masterpieces. An advanced needle threading system. Just one push of a lever does it. And a fast 400 stitch per minute embroidery speed, so you can make more magic in less time. What kind of magic? The magic of dozens of built-in Disney embroidery designs. So unlock that magic right out of the box, right now, with the Brother PE540D embroidery-only machine.
Get the creative edge on heavy-duty projects with the Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger. Tackle layers of heavy fabrics. Cut a smooth, clean edge, even on tough surfaces, with the extra strong and incredibly sharp carbide blade. The Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger is built to last, with a heavy-duty metal frame, a remarkably durable metal thread stand, and a table designed to support heavier fabrics. It's easy to use, built for speed, and engineered for maximum flexibility. So you know it'll be ready to handle whatever you're ready to throw at it. Don't be afraid to flex a muscle on your next creative project with the Brother ST4031 HD Strong and Tough Serger.